Okay, I get on Drake in bad pairing in terms of winning because he's rock solid all the time. What I think about Gukesh, his performance is not ideal. Yeah. Get D4. I guess I'll play standard. Okay, let's play Queen Zinnia. I mean, I played this against on Drake a million times already. He wants to play the Petrosian system. Okay. Queen C. Oh, he plays E3. Okay, I guess I'll just trade and go here. Bishop E7 and castles. All this very standard, by the way. Probably goes like Queen E2, Queen C7. We beginning. Now A4 is a move, but I think it's supposed to be a little bit wrong in this specific position. I mean, I had Rook A D8 also instead of Knight B8. Knight B8 might not be correct, by the way. It feels slightly wrong. The whole time. He goes Rook E1, so if I play Knight C6, he wants D5. Now I could trade and go Bishop D4. I can also take and go Knight 6 D5 Knight B4 as well. D5 Knight A5 C4 Knight B3. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna go for this. So I have Knight A5 takes it's fine. Knight A5 C4 Knight B3 and takes. It's murky. Yeah, it goes D5. Of course, I play Knight A5. I mean, C4, I go Knight B3, I trade. I mean, maybe it's a little bit worse for me, but I don't think it should be that much worse. Now, of course, I takes, logical. Now, I assume what I should do is probably Rook A D8 first. I don't want him getting any E5s here. This is the first thing. I don't want any E5s. And then I'm going to play Rook E8 and probably like Bishop F6 or something. I go Rook E8, E5, takes. Okay, yeah, he has some tricky ideas, I think. I could play G6. I don't really like it. Rook E8, E5, takes, Bishop D5. I don't believe him though. I just don't believe him. You know, logical. Okay, so I see his plan now. So, okay, so he wants to go E5, takes, and Queen E4. Okay, now I see his plan. Alright, so that's his idea. So how do I stop it? I think Queen F4 is one of the moves that I play. Queen F4, E5, takes 6, bishop. Yeah, I think I'm going to go here. I have G3, I go Queen. I think I go Queen H6. Or Queen G4. Both are playable. I'm not in love with my position, honestly. He plays Queen D3. So he's still trying to force E5 in. So, I mean, I can play G6 here, I guess. Or F5 is also a move. But I'm just going to go G6. Because okay, G3. Drop back, why not? E5, I just take. Very, very complicated position here. Very complicated. At some point, I'm probably going to have to trade. Time's even, so neither side is a big edge on the clock. Okay, of course, I'll go here. Bishop G7, fianchetto the bishops. I can also take on D5. Okay, now... Oh, if I go Bishop G7 now, he can actually play E5? Shoot. Hack, I misplayed this. Crud. Takes, C4, Queen C4. Okay, I don't want to burn much more time here. I don't want to play E5. 5 takes, C4, Queen C4. I'm going to do it. I don't want to play this move, but it's not the move I want to play, but I think I have to. I'm still probably okay because I can reroute the bishops, but this is not what I want to do. That's for sure. There's A5 logical. I'll just go like maybe here. I'm definitely gonna go for it here though. Like even if I'm worse, I'm gonna try to win this game. So the draw like gives me no chance of setting a record. Objectively, I think I'm very slightly worse here, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. It goes there. Of course, I'll go here, trade a set of rooks. Or both rooks, potentially. If I get B5, maybe I'm even better here. I don't have b5. I go rook a8, there's nothing. I'm just gonna go f6, consolidate my structure. He plays bishop a4, which is what I expect. Now the question here is, do I go rook f8 and try to win, or do I play rook a8 and try to draw? I don't really want to play rook a8, but I think it's the right decision. Takes. And probably I just go queen b8 to hold the position a little bit. I'm still probably worse here objectively, but I don't like that move from him. There's still bishop h3 potentially. I've actually misplayed this, I think. Maybe not. Maybe I'm still okay here. Yeah, he finds that move, which is really frustrating. Because now he's got a quick jump to c3, and I'm going to have to... I don't want to offer a draw here, but I might have to. Goes there. To go back. I don't want to make a draw here, but I kind of have to. There goes my shot at the...